one of my friends, when he come here tonight, he come up to me, hey JJ, I come here to see your show. I say, it's good. He said, I get pulled over by the police. Why, you speeding? I said, I'm not speeding. In Cedar, they say, they have a sign say, refugees passing, slow down. What's going on? You have to watch out too. Namni kenna heddun gamadan jiru, nama kenna kolfisiisu rabochisu tu easy na fakka. Adadati yotu TV la, TV silla tu ka Obama malilla. Ingil foma wiche to understand it. Ingil Obama male, ingil febra understand it. Obama TV ke sene yo TV ke seven tu isi TV la ti. Ingil fasa understanding go ingil fembetu. Inda ke examen. Obama fa folks, Washington DC for Ethiopia. If you got a vote for me, I put in Jera $3. 1989 Theodore County, $1,000 everywhere. For Somali people, Minnesota, if you got a vote for me, I boost 25 cents, rice, breeze, $4. We can make it like a drive-through like McDonald's. Chatting and crackness and why not twackness and white boy, boom, McLeod Rastafari. Anyone asking that white shit, park in the club like nice and go A-T-T-T-O-O-B, not in the wine, I was saying, boyfriend. Yatma, boom, McLeod, man. Everybody understand what I'm saying? No? My English accent look like car accident. It's okay. I'll fix it. Akazani, this guy was in Hollywood, he trying to rap, he was a Somali guy. From C building, he went to Hollywood. Trust me, he trying to rap and he say, he was remixing. He said, I hit the Sierra court, I love count meat. I keep going back and forth, soccer tip. Cold is the Wednesday, hot is the summer diff. Yahmani Rahmo, you still love and live. He said, I like the way you walking if you walking my way. I'm a JJ, let's fly away. Shori, Abayo, you looking good. Are you working somewhere? Wallah, Abbo, I live in Broadway. That's why if I go to, are you serious? She's laughing? If I got money, I want to give it to her. I got some change. Does anybody take EBT card? Everybody say no. I'll see you Monday. Monday, Hennepin County. I used to have a friend. They say we don't take food stamp. I say I take it. They go there, and Monday we line up. He saw me. Oh my God. He's scared. Oh. He said, I don't take EBT card. He looked at me, and they called the name. Oh, number 14, Muhammad, for food stamp, door number 7. He said, oh my God, they called the name too. I said, why are you scared? Food stamp. So that's enough.